let's begin. Let's first start by getting into a comfortable seated position with our palms faced up and open to feel lifted, or face down to feel grounded. We can begin with a deep intentional inhale through the nose. And release. Another deep inhale through the nose. And release. Let's take another deep breath through the nose. And really settle into our seated or lying position with this exhale. Beautiful. Continuing with these deep breaths. Now is your time to settle in to this moment. If you find your mind wandering at any time in this meditation, that is perfectly okay. We are simply choosing in this moment to come home to the present whenever we notice. And we do this by resting our awareness back to the breath. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose. And relax into that inhale. You're here. Another deep inhale. And release. Beautiful. When you're ready, I invite you to gently turn your awareness inward to the imagination. I invite you to visualize yourself walking through a childhood home or space where you felt most comfortable. As you walk through the hallways or the rooms, there's one new door that I invite you to open. In this room, there's a mirror. And in that mirror, you see yourself wearing a full set of armor. This is heavy armor. And this armor represents the protection you've created for yourself, the presentation you've created for yourself to navigate this world. With every experience, pain, frustration, a new piece of armor was placed to protect you. And in this moment, we are choosing to take this armor off, to reconnect with our inner knowing, to tap directly in to our inner selves, our inner wisdom. Starting at the head, I invite you with each exhale to visualize a piece of armor simply floating off. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose and release. Release that weight of the helmet. Visualize it coming off. How much lighter does that head feel? You can gently roll your neck and experience that lightness. Another deep inhale through the nose. Oh, and we are blowing away those shoulder pads. That armor on the shoulders weighing it down. Let's take an inhale and let those shoulders roll back without any weight, bringing it down. Take in how that feels, letting that armor off. Another deep inhale through the nose. In this exhale, we're releasing the chest armor. Feel on this inhale how that chest expands. Beautiful. Let's take another inhale, allowing love into the chest, allowing our heart just to open and release. Beautiful. On this next breath, let's let our armor and shields just fall down. If you were carrying any shields on your hand, any swords, let it all fall down on this exhale. Big inhale through the nose. And release. Letting it float away. You're welcome to visualize or actually lift or move your arms. Experience how much lighter, how much more fluid they feel. You are safe in this space. Moving down the body. On this next breath, I invite you to visualize dropping the belted armor and the armor around your thighs, your upper legs. Big inhale through the nose. And breathe that out. You don't need it here. Beautiful. Let's do another breath and really release it all. And release. Beautiful. You can really begin to visualize your legs feeling lighter. Let's go ahead and move down to our shins, our calves, and our feet. On this next breath, we are freeing these legs, we are freeing these feet to move, to dance, to run freely. We're releasing what no longer serves us. Big inhale through the nose. Oh, and release. We're blowing it away. Beautiful. Take a moment to be in your body and enjoy this light as a feather sensation. Breathe into it. When you're ready, I invite you to turn back to the mirror that's in this room. And standing in front of you is your inner child. It's you at maybe 5 or 6 years old. And you have the biggest smile. So happy to reunite. If you so choose, I invite you to kneel forward. Give your inner child the biggest hug and listen as they offer you a piece of wisdom. What do they have to say? When you're ready, I invite you to give a loving goodbye to your inner child, knowing that they are always within you. Your inner self, your inner voice, your inner wisdom will always be with you. I invite you to visualize yourself walking out of the room, light as a feather, walking to the front door, and proudly stepping into the sun. How does that feel? If there's one piece of wisdom experience, how can you reduce it to one sentence? When you're ready, I invite you to gently bring your awareness back to the room. Let's take a few deep breaths to anchor back to this moment. Big inhale through the nose. And release. When you're ready, I invite you to gently begin to wiggle your toes, maybe roll your neck, and when it feels right, I invite you to open your eyes. I hope that you can take a moment to thank yourself for holding space and fostering your inner knowing. If you made it to the end of this meditation, I invite you to comment 3 sun emojis, or what might have come up for you, what lesson or takeaway you've gotten from this meditation. As when you comment below, you're helping others feel less alone, but you're also helping me as a creator continue to grow on this YouTube platform. Because when you engage with my content, you are helping small but growing individuals like myself continue to grow. With all of that said, I will leave you with my favorite quote, and that is, be gentle with yourself, because life is about the journey and not the destination. Bye, friends.